Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn ideas into income. From AI hustles to smart finance tips, you'll learn how to build extra income streams and achieve lasting wealth. Because here, we believe AI hustles plus smart finance equals wealth. Hit subscribe and let's grow smarter together. Watch this video till the end. I have a special gift just for you, a free, powerful resource that could be your very first step to building real online income. Don't skip it. It might just change the way you start. Have you ever felt like building an online business is just one endless performance? Posting every day, chasing trends, trying to please an algorithm? I'm here to tell you there's another path, a quieter, more sustainable path, one where you can still make money ChatGPT and build passive income online without turning yourself into a full-time entertainer on social media. I'm Michael. In this video, I'll show you how to start, grow, and scale your income online in a smart, calm, and practical way. If you find this helpful, take a second to like, share, and subscribe, because today you'll discover the real way to make money ChatGPT and build passive income online without burnout. 1. Why social media isn't the only way picture. You spend hours creating Instagram reels, writing captions, chasing TikTok trends. You're exhausted, but your follower count barely grows. And sales? Zero. I've been there. My clients have been there too. The truth is, social media demands constant visibility, but visibility doesn't always equal profit. You might collect likes and followers, but does that turn into revenue? Not always. And for introverts, it's worse. Every day feels like a stage performance. Every post feels like an act. That's why I always remind people, Make Money ChatGPT is not about feeding an algorithm. It's about creating digital assets that live, breathe, and keep working for you over time. 2. Discovery platforms. The hidden advantage. Let me introduce you to what I call quiet platforms. YouTube, Pinterest, Google, even blogging. These platforms aren't built around performance, they're built around search. Here's the difference. On Instagram, a reel might last 48 hours. On Pinterest, a pin can circulate for 4 months. On YouTube, a single video can generate leads and sales for years. That's the power of discoverable content. When you combine discovery platforms with Make Money ChatGPT, everything changes. Your content becomes findable, your products become searchable, and the right audience comes to you rather than you chasing them. That's the foundation of true passive income online. 3. A real example. What happens when you shift? Let me share a story. Years ago, I followed the advice of every online guru. Post daily, follow every trend, edit late into the night. After months, I had a few hundred followers and not a single sale. Then I shifted. I made one YouTube video, just one, that solved a specific problem for my audience. It didn't go viral, it didn't explode, but it got found. And that one video led to dozens of email subscribers, lead magnet downloads, and real product sales. This is why I say it again. You don't need a big audience, you need the right audience. And when you create discoverable content, that audience keeps finding you, even while you sleep. That's when passive income online starts to take shape. 4. Roadmap to selling digital products without social media. So how do you actually begin? Let me walk you through a simple roadmap. Step 1. Pick your platform. Choose a discovery platform that feels right for you. YouTube is my personal favorite, but Pinterest and blogging also work beautifully. Step 2. Create one simple product. Don't overcomplicate it. An ebook, a checklist, a mini course. The key is solving one real problem. Step 3. Offer a lead magnet. Give away something valuable in exchange for an email address. That list is gold. It's your future customer base. Step 4. Make searchable content. Ask yourself, what is my ideal customer typing into Google? What are they asking ChatGPT? That's your starting point. Step 5. Sell through email. This is where trust is built. Selling through email is so much easier than begging for attention in a crowded feed. Look closely at this roadmap. It's not about constant noise, it's about building a quiet system. And when you add Make Money ChatGPT to the process, you gain an assistant that helps brainstorm, outline, and keep you consistent without burnout. 5. Applying AI in digital business. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part. Applying AI to your online business. Make Money ChatGPT isn't just a buzzword. It's a practical method that saves you time, reduces stress, and multiplies your results. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to write for your blog or what to record for YouTube, you can simply talk to ChatGPT. Tell it who your audience is, what your product is, and what your brand voice sounds like. The AI will suggest keywords, create outlines, even craft titles that make your content easier to find. I've personally used ChatGPT to plan my email marketing, brainstorm video topics, and check the flow of my sales pages. The results? I save hours every single week, and this is exactly how I combine Make Money ChatGPT with long-term strategy to create passive income online. But here's the key: AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. ChatGPT gives you the skeleton, but you provide the soul. When you combine your lived experience with the structure AI offers, you create systems that are both effective and deeply personal, and that's what unlocks sustainable income. 6. Encouragement for introverts and late starters. I want to pause here for anyone who feels like they're late to the game. Maybe you're 35, 45, even 53, and you think, it's too late for me. Listen, it's not too late. I've worked with people who started side hustles in their 50s while working full-time jobs. They had no audience, no ads, no trends, and still they built something real. You don't need more energy. You don't need a bigger personality. You need a strategy that fits who you already are, and that's the heart of it. Make Money ChatGPT is about building a business aligned with you, not forcing you to become someone else. 7. Mistakes to avoid. Now, let me save you some frustration. Here are 3 mistakes I see all the time. First, chasing followers instead of customers. Remember, likes don't pay your bills, sales do. Second, chasing trends without strategy. You don't need to be viral, you need to be discoverable. Third, over-investing in tools and ads before you have a plan. You don't need the fanciest setup. You need clarity, consistency, and a product that solves a real problem. When you avoid these mistakes, you create space for passive income online that actually lasts. 8. Long-term thinking. Build once, sell forever. Here's the most powerful shift. Stop thinking like a performer. Start thinking like a builder. Every product you create is like planting a seed. With the right soil, discovery platforms, email marketing, and Make Money ChatGPT as your assistant, that seed grows and produces fruit long term. One product, one video, one email. They don't disappear in 24 hours. They compound. And that's the beauty of passive income online. Build once, sell forever. So what's the real takeaway? AI doesn't replace you, it amplifies you. The hours you've put in, the knowledge you've gained, the experiences you've lived, they become more powerful when paired with Make Money ChatGPT. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with one tool, one product, one experiment. That's how you shift from trading hours for dollars to designing a life where passive income online flows quietly, steadily, even while you sleep. And maybe a year from now, you'll look back and say, that was the moment I chose to begin. So let me ask you, if you were to start today, which tool would you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if this sparked something in you, hit like, share, and subscribe, because your journey with Make Money ChatGPT and passive income online is just beginning, and the next success story could be yours. Download your free gift. Start smart, start right. Want to make money online, but don't know where to begin? Get this free ebook, From Zero to an Automated Money-Making Machine. It shows you how to understand affiliate marketing, no product needed, pick the right offers. Even as a complete beginner, build a simple system that sells 24/7. No ads, no tech, no overwhelm. Focus on mindset, action, results. With this guide, many people earn their first commission in just 7 days. You might doubt yourself, others might not believe in you, but once you see your first result, everything changes. Download it now and take your first step toward time freedom. If this video sparked something in you, a small glimpse of hope, a flicker of inspiration, or even just a quiet thought, maybe I could try this too. Then don't let it pass you by, not like all the other times. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep walking alongside you on this journey. I still have so much more to share, real stories, honest strategies, and practical steps that could help you move forward just a little more every single day. Leave me a comment. Tell me, where are you right now in your journey? I read every single one, truly. And if you feel this content is worth sharing, give it a like and send this video to a friend who might be searching for the same answers you are. Want a solid place to start? Don't skip this exclusive MMO guide I've personally curated and tested, not just for myself, but alongside hundreds of students who've seen real results. This 5-part resource is battle tested, no fluff, just action. Part 1, free gift hacks. Start your MMO journey with zero cost. Discover how to get free gifts and vouchers in just a few simple steps. Part 2, simple side hustles. Make money from your phone. Try flexible jobs like writing reviews, customer support, or posting on social media. Part 3, Foundations of Affiliate Marketing. Step-by-step training to build your first system. Perfect for beginners who want to start right. Part 4, Easy Wins with Tools and AI. Kickstart with optimized tools and AI tech for faster results. No complex skills needed. Part 5, Advanced Systems for Long-Term Income. For those ready to go serious. Learn how to scale, build products, and market like a pro. This is your actionable, step-by-step guide, ready for you to dive in right after this video. These are proven learning paths, so you don't have to wander, don't have to fail the way I once did. You'll learn how to build a real system, create passive income online, even while you sleep, and most importantly, how to start without getting overwhelmed. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the guide, 100% free, no email required, or click the link below in the video description. It's right there, waiting to help you start a brand new chapter. I believe in you. You can do this. Just start today. See you in the next video or somewhere along your journey to freedom.